Master Alahji, welcome, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Samuel Wesley. It be a pleasure for me be for this place just now this evening times. Thank you very much for having me here just now.
Okay, Alahji, tell me, you don't work inside town for Bamenda. Is that can people them they don't strike for Yaoundé for Douala? Inside Bamenda, we know say we know see is that come to them very frequently or plenty time. According to you, how do you see the dirty for inside Bamenda?
Just now, Master Samuel Wesley, for me, Tiwa if you talk and just now, especially this Bamenda, how they talk, because me I did for this Bamenda. I never go this Douala side away you talk now so. But you see Bamenda for Tarikwe market, the one for there is plenty. The one way there I know if even open more for talk for name the kind of thing way there for that dirty place. The one for last chance where for our the cross goes small that dirty it don't come there for middle route self. My way the worker for corner route it then for middle route. Two motor if you cross for there where person the pass. That means na accident that way it happens. The one way there for food market you know if you talk that once. Because that the whole Bamenda people where they go for market carry all that dirty all thing in the park for that place. I don't look up. That means if these people where they carry dirty, if they not there, even when are for houses, when are not preserve when are on dirty, they provide some fillers for backside for the dig this place put the dirty. I don't look up. You don't pass me.
Okay. You don't think so maybe now because of the Anglophone crisis where they need to carry the dirty?
It will never be because of the Anglophone crisis, but they be the go. It be said they disturb them, but they will come back to normal. They carry the dirty, but this time around, I not so say no because of the we never hear say they don't disturb them for some years before they run.
Tell me, you know, see I'm saying, if people them they decide to separate their dirty, put dirty for backside, like the one with the bounty vegetable, that one with the pay nothing, it go better. If you solve the problem, people decide use different options for keep dirty for us.
Yes, me I don't check that one because think they like leave them where you don't make fufu. If you leave them, put them the way if you dry self you burn them. That one if you go to where themselves for farm. Then this thing they like pepper where they tie fufu or this kind of thing. Even that one if they not dig pit for the put that one for inside. They fit put them, burn them. That one all that thing you know must carry and go for root. If na say they don't talk say that this Ezekiel don't go now, but that means say you go carry put them for root today. Like this small one already talk so that road already blocked. Now if they not come back, that means say I will go carry this one. So I check say me people the thing I get for go for farm. All mommy and papa the old man know. Not be me as get for the express say this one if he go for farm, if he go ferment or this that. But I don't that the talk say I saw say they know the one way if he go for inside farm, then the one way the fee burn am. So now or the one way the fee dig some me land on them. And landlady they dig some big hole for backside way they feed the put this dump this the thing there. Okay. I think that we have to talk for now.
Thank you, country people. Now for the program for today finish. So we get inside studio Senator Small Alahji said he been a comedian for inside Bamenda. Them say they make people laugh plenty. Anyhow we go sabi the dig the thing small. We go get other people them too for another edition of the program where they go to they tell we plenty other thing them. No national fine, we don't work.